Hello guys, how are you? In this video, we're gonna talk about 5 best drones in Amazon. The number 5, Chirwing Sema X20 Mini Drone. Small drone for kids and adults. Upgraded with multi-features, more stable and more suitable one key take off and landing function. Allow beginning to the easy to fly the drone without any skill for kids and novice users. Once the fuselage direction cannot be recognized, it can enter the handless mode so as to continue the flight. One key 360 roll, continuous roll for perfect action and wonderful performance. Designed LED light are fitted for night flight possibilities, leaving a beautiful landscape in the night sky. Number 4, Dragon Touch DK01 Mini Drones for Kids. Safe and cool design, our Dragon Touch drones are designed with protective propeller guard around the propels for added safety and durability. This mini drone comes with their 3 remote controls. Number 3, Simbrex X11 upgraded GPS drone. Ultra long flying time capability of battery is up to 3150 mAh will provide about 22 minutes ultra long flight time and full HD 4K HD video provide you with accurate positioning details of your drone. When your drone is run away or in low power, the drone can auto return, never worrying about losing the drone. Number 2, Drone Clone Experts Drone X Pro. GPS with auto return home. Timeless 2 has a precision GPS system on board which allows you to track and record your flight. Dual camera allows you to take photo and video in 4K Ultra HD resolution from a wide variety of 25-minute flight time. Equipped with a high capacity battery providing 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge creative angles, and distance capability is similarly limitless point of interest. An intelligent flight mode that use advanced positioning system to put your drone on an automated flight path around desired subject. Number 1, DJI Mini 2. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. A 12 megapixel camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress along with 4K video. Mini 2 supports up to the 10 km of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. With just a few taps, DJI Mini 2 automatically records and shoots professional level videos. If any of these products you like, link in the description. Buy and enjoy and shoot the beautiful places.